Once you have all the vinyl applied to your acrylic piece, you'll want to use UV resin and spread it around the acrylic piece all the way to the sides to make sure you get all the vinyl covered. Once you're done, you will want to put your acrylic pieces under a UV light for 60 seconds at a time. I usually do that 2 to 3 times, and then it will be hard and cured by that time, and you can apply your other keychain pieces. Now what you will see me doing is using some needle nose pliers and using a jump ring to put through the hole of the acrylic piece, and then I am attaching the ring and chain for the keychain piece. Then I am taking the smaller pieces and applying jump rings through the holes of those pieces, and then I'm attaching them to a long piece of chain, and then I will take that chain and attach it to the large keychain. Then I'm taking another jump ring and I'm attaching it to a tassel and then attaching it to the keychain just for some extra decoration. And that's how I make my keychains. If you thought this was helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can catch more tutorials from me, and I hope to see you soon.